Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn about how to convert percentage to decimal. First, suppose we have 15 percentage. So this is a percentage value. So this value we have to convert into decimal value. So first we have to write this as 15 divided by 100 because we have 15 percentage. So this can be written as 15 divided by 100. So the value is, so now we have to convert into the decimal value. So that is we have to move the decimal 2 places to the left. That is we have to start here. So this is 1 and 2. So we have to write this as 0.15 because we have to move the decimal 2 places to the left. So if you move 2 places to the left, so it will become 0.15. Next, suppose we have 65 percentage. So this can be written as 65 divided by 100. So in the same way 0.65 because we have to move 2 places to the left. Suppose we have 48 percentage. So that is nothing but 48 divided by 100. So that is 0.48. Suppose if we have 92 percentage. So this can be written as 92 divided by 100. So the decimal value is 0.92. So these are all the 2-digit numbers. We have to move the decimal 2 places to the left. Suppose if we have single digit value like 6 percentage. So this can be written as 6 divided by 100. Here also we have to move the decimal 2 places to the left. So this is nothing but 1 and 2. Okay. Here we have to assume some 0. So this can be written as 0.06. So in the gap we have to fill the 0 value. So that is 0.06. Suppose we have 8 percentage. That is nothing but 8 divided by 100. So this is 0.08. That is 1, 2. So in this gap we have to fill one 0 value. So that is 0.08. Suppose if we have 3-digit value like 135 percentage. So this is nothing but 135 divided by 100. So the answer is, so again we have to start from here and we have to move 2 decimal places to the left. So this is 1 and 2. So that is 1.35. Okay. So 135 percentage decimal value is 1.35. Suppose we have 120 percentage. So that is 120 divided by 100. Again we have to start from here and we have to move the decimal 2 places to the left. So 1, 2. So we have to write this as 1.20. Suppose we have 715 percentage. This can be written as 715 divided by 100. Again we have to move the decimal 2 places to the left. So the value is 7.15. Suppose we have 438 percentage. So 438 divided by 100. So this is 4.38. Suppose we have 645 percentage. So the answer is 645 divided by 100. So that is nothing but 6.45. So we have to move the decimal 2 places to the left. So these are all the 3-digit numbers. Suppose if we have 4-digit number like 1221 percentage. So that is 1221 divided by 100. Again we have to start from here and we have to move the decimal 2 places to the left. So 1, 2. Okay. So the answer is 12.21. Suppose 1010. So the answer is 1010 divided by 100. That is equal to 10.1. So again we have to move the decimal 2 places to the left. So we have to write it as 10.1. So this is the decimal value. Suppose we have 5445 percentage. So this can be written as 5445 divided by 100. So the answer is 54.45. Next, if we have 1.2%. So already the given number is the decimal form. So for this we have to first write this as 1.2 divided by 100. So the answer is, here we have to start from this decimal point. So that is 1 and 2. And in this gap we have to fill 0. So the answer is 0.012. Okay, for example 3.6 percentage. So that is 3.6 divided by 100. So again we have to start from this decimal, so that is 1, and then we have to move the decimal 2 places to the left. So in this gap we have to fill 0. So the answer is 0.036. Suppose we have 0.17 percentage. So that is 0.17 divided by 100. So again we have to start from this point. So that is 1 and 2. So in this gap we have to fill again 0. So we have to start with 0 point, and that is 0017. Okay. Usually we have to start with 0 point, and in this gap we have to write it as 0. Already we have 0 and 1 and 7. So 0017. So the answer is 0.0017. Suppose if we have 0.25 percentage. So again this is nothing but 0.25 by 100. So the answer is 0.0025. So 0.58 percentage, that is 0.58 by 100. So that is nothing but 1, 2. Okay, so first we have to start with 0 point, and here we have 10, 20 and 58. Suppose if we have 0.05 percentage, so this can be written as 0.05 divided by 100, that is equal to, again we have to start from this decimal, so that is 1, 2. In this gap we have to fill 1 0. So usually we have to start with 0 point, and here we have to write it as 10, 0, 0. So we have 3 zeros and 5. So 1, 2, 3 and 5. Suppose we have 0.09 percentage. So that is 0.09 by 100. So this is again 0 point, we have 3 zeros, 9. Okay, because we have to start from here 1, 2. So 0, 0, 0. So we have 3 zeros and 9. So the answer is 0.0009. So this is how we have to convert the values of percentages into decimal value. Thanks for watching this video. If you find this video useful, please subscribe to my channel and click on like button. And for further notification, please hit the bell icon. Thank you.